Imagine this. You come back to your parked car, and there's damage. No note, no witnesses, but your dash cam caught everything. That's the power of having the right one. Here are the 5 best dash cams of 2026 that never miss a moment. Number 5. Viofo A329S Series Dash Cams. Every road tells a story. Capture every second of it. Introducing the Viofo A329S Series, the professional-grade dash cam engineered for drivers who refuse to leave anything to chance. Built to see what others miss, day or night, rain or shine. Sony's advanced Starbus 2 sensor technology delivers jaw-dropping 4K clarity, capturing license plates, road signs, and critical details with stunning precision, even in the darkest conditions. Because the truth is always in the details. The 329S doesn't just record, it guards. With dual-channel front and rear coverage, every angle of your journey is protected simultaneously. Intelligent parking mode keeps a vigilant eye on your vehicle even when you've walked away. Hardwired for reliability with buffered recording, built-in GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi connectivity, managing and sharing footage has never been faster or simpler. Compact, discreet, and devastatingly capable, the A329S sits quietly on your windshield, working tirelessly behind the scenes. Drive confidently. Record flawlessly. Stay protected. Always. Number 4. Enthusiast Prime Trip VD1 Pro Dashcam. Your road. Your proof. Your peace of mind. Meet the Enthusiast Prime Trip VD1 Pro, the dashcam that combines intelligent technology with sleek, premium design to deliver uncompromising protection on every journey you take. Engineered with a high-performance imaging sensor, the VD1 Pro captures crystal-clear 4K footage that preserves every critical detail, sharp, vivid, and undeniably accurate. From busy city intersections to late-night highway runs, nothing escapes its all-seeing lens. Smart HDR technology balances light and shadow flawlessly, eliminating washed-out glare and murky darkness that ordinary dash cams simply can't handle. Every frame tells the complete story, exactly as it happened. Seamless Wi-Fi connectivity links directly to the Enthusiast app, putting live previews, instant playback, and effortless clip sharing right in your pocket. Built-in GPS logs your precise speed and location, creating an indisputable record when it matters most. Compact and discreetly mounted, it blends beautifully into your cabin without distracting from the drive. Smart protection. Premium clarity. Total confidence. Every mile. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam X Series. Capture up to 4K UHD. See everything. Miss nothing. Trust Garmin. Introducing the Garmin Dashcam X Series, where legendary navigation expertise meets next-generation road protection. Engineered for drivers who demand the absolute best, this is dashcam technology elevated to an art form. Breathtaking 4K Ultra HD recording captures the road ahead with extraordinary precision, razor-sharp license plates, vivid street details, and cinematic clarity that leaves nothing open to interpretation. Every journey documented. Every moment preserved flawlessly. Garmin's advanced driver assistance features work intelligently in the background, alerting you to forward collision risks, lane departures, and fatigue signs before situations escalate. This isn't just a camera. It's your co-pilot. Automatic incident detection senses impacts instantly, locking critical footage so nothing gets overridden when you need it most. Voice control keeps your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road where they belong. Compact, premium, and discreetly designed, the X Series integrates seamlessly into your drive without a whisper. Record brilliantly. Drive safely. Backed by Garmin, always. Number 2. N5S Dashcam. Meet the N5S Dashcam, the compact powerhouse redefining what affordable road protection truly looks like. Packed with premium features and engineered for real-world reliability, the N5S stands guard every mile, every moment. Crystal clear high-definition recording captures the road ahead with impressive sharpness and vivid color accuracy, delivering footage that matters when it counts most. Whether navigating rush-hour chaos or cruising open highways, Every detail is locked in with confidence. Advanced night vision technology pierces through low light conditions with remarkable clarity, ensuring your protection never dims when the sun goes down. Wide-angle coverage captures the full picture, not just what's directly ahead. Loop recording runs seamlessly in the background, automatically managing storage without interrupting your drive. Built-in G sensor detects sudden impacts instantly, locking critical footage before it can be overridden. Simple plug-and-play setup gets you protected in minutes, no technical headaches, no complicated installations. Compact by design. Powerful by nature. Reliable by choice, always. Number 1.70 My Dashcam 4K T800. Introducing the 70 My Dashcam 4K T800, where cutting-edge imaging technology meets smart, seamless road protection. Engineered for drivers who refuse to settle, the T800 raises the bar on what a dashcam can truly deliver. Stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution captures every road detail with breathtaking sharpness, crisp license plates, vivid surroundings, and frame-perfect footage that holds up under the closest scrutiny. Because when it matters, only the clearest truth will do. Powered by an advanced imaging processor, the T800 conquers challenging low-light and nighttime conditions effortlessly, delivering bright, detailed footage long after the sun disappears. No shadows, no guesswork, just undeniable clarity. Built-in Auda's intelligent driver assistance monitors your surroundings continuously, alerting you to forward collisions, lane drifts, and dangerous proximity before moments turn critical. Wi-Fi and app connectivity deliver instant footage access, live preview, and effortless sharing directly from your smartphone in seconds. Record brilliantly. Drive smarter. Stay protected every single mile.